What's up, guys? This is E.A.D for life. We're out here with all these wonderful guns, and we're going to just be shooting at some sodas, just target shooting. But we wanted to record it and show it to you guys. So I'll show you a couple clips of that, and then us shooting at these sodas. And so we got these cheap sodas that we're going to be shooting. I saw this trick on TikTok. Look at that. Yeah, it's ready to go. Let's do this.
So strong.
Jump on down, Austin.
Right. So we're gonna get out of shape here. Anyways, so we're gonna shoot all these set up. We got about 4 more cases of soda that we're gonna shoot at. But here we go. We're gonna start off with the pistols and work our way up.
There
it is.
I've never found you far, man. Oh yeah, man. Take 2. We got it. Oh, yeah.